In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini to take notes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your Gemini account, upload a file, craft a clear prompt, and let Gemini turn your material into clean, structured study notes with a short summary at the top. First, open Gemini and sign into your account. Give yourself a moment to settle on the home screen so you can see the main input area. If this is your first time, take a quick look around so you know where everything is, but don't worry, you only need a couple of clicks to get started. Next, look for the plus icon. This is your gateway to bringing content into Gemini. Click the plus icon, then navigate to the file you want to study from. That might be a reading assignment, a report, lecture slides, or any document you've been meaning to summarize. Select the file and upload it. You'll usually see a quick confirmation that the file is attached, and that means Gemini can read it and prepare to analyze it. Now it's time to enter your prompt. In the message box, type a clear instruction that tells Gemini exactly what you want. A reliable, simple prompt you can use is, turn this into clean study notes with headings, bullet points, and a short summary at the top. Keep your wording straightforward. Clarity helps Gemini focus on structure and brevity. If your file covers several topics, you can rely on headings to separate them, and bullet points to keep each idea short and scannable. The short summary at the top gives you a quick snapshot of the whole document, which is perfect for fast review before an exam or meeting. After you've entered the prompt, send it and wait patiently while Gemini processes your file. The time it takes can vary based on the size of the document, so let it work. You'll see the response appear on the screen when it's ready. The output should begin with a concise summary, followed by clearly labeled sections as headings and compact bullet points that highlight key definitions, facts, takeaways, or steps. This structure makes it easy to skim, revisit difficult sections, and memorize what matters most. That's the full flow. Open your Gemini account, click the plus icon to upload your file, enter the prompt to produce clean study notes with headings, bullet points, and a short summary at the top, and then wait for Gemini to generate the notes. Follow these steps anytime you need quick, organized materials ready for study or review.